Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 171. This was a Friday, 17 February 2023. Started the day off exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. And then I worked on books and then did Remote Wellness Academy and also worked insurance and a little bit of solar business as well. So that was my day for day 171. Very busy, but productive day, and not a whole lot to report. And my gratitude for the day is for my fellow veterans. Got my new U.S. Army retired hat. I've been retired since 2009. It seems like it was forever, but I saw the hat and I figured I'd get it. So today's gratitude is for all the people who serve in the military before me, with me, and that have come after me. I'm very grateful for all my brothers and sisters in the profession of arms, and I'm really grateful that I had the opportunity to serve in the military. And I did my small part, and I know there's a lot of people who gave more, like they say that all gave some, but some gave all. And there's a whole lot of people who gave a whole lot more than I did. But I'm proud of the 20 years of active duty that I did. And I'm also proud of the 10 years in the State Department. So 30 years total. So, but I'm grateful because that's all possible because I had really outstanding leadership that helped guide me and mentor me, and I wouldn't have made it without that help. So grateful for everyone, past, present, and future, in the military. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.